Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to actually switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, since it is highlighted in this orangish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can set 720p, and we've got 2 different options for 1080p. Probably there is a difference between them in the frames per second. So and probably this one is 30 frames per second and this one 60 frames per second. So basically all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, it will be notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record videos. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.